a small activity for you wherein you have to pick out the words that are action words. So you have to read each word and understand the word before you say whether it is a verb or an action word and mark it. So the first word is pink. So pink is the name of a color and not an action word. The next is pillow. Pillow again is the name of a thing and not an action being done. The next is lies. He lies down. So that is the action that is being done. He lies on the bed or he lies on the floor. So the lies becomes the action word or the verb in the chart. The next is bed. Bed, as we know, it's a name of a thing and not an action word. Rug. Rug again is the name of a thing and not an action word. Rough. So the rough is, it is rough. It is not an action word. It is how a particular thing is. Next is white. White again is the name of a color. Wall. Wall, as you know, is the name of a thing in a building. Did. So I did my homework or he did his homework. That is the action word or the verb. The next word is make. I make my own breakfast. I make my bed when I wake up in the morning. So this is all the action words. So the word make. The next word find. I find this problem very difficult. I find it difficult to go to sleep early. So the word find becomes the action word or the verb. Doll. So doll is the name of a thing. Pretty. Pretty again is about a particular flower or a doll. Toy is the name of a thing. Flow again is the name of a thing. Table. Table is again the name of a thing. Dirty, it is how it is, a particular dish. Wash. I wash my hands. I wash the vessels. So that is the action that is done. Spoon again is the name of a thing. Cut is again a action word or a verb. So from these words we were able to pick out the verbs or the action words. Lies, did, make, find, wash, cut. So these are all the action words or the verbs. So now we move on to our next activity. Again we have some words. So these are just the action words that are used quite often for you to understand. Run, jump, sing, dance, walk, eat, listen, play, sleep, drink. So these are all the action words that we find quite often in our sentences or we use it quite often. Run, jump, sing, dance, walk, listen, play, eat, sleep, drink. Now we move on to our next activity and we are given certain words and we are going to first circle the verbs or the action words and then we are going to match it with these sentences. So let us find out the words first. Bunny, ride, broom, eat, read, wish, tree, work, bike, sleep, chair, think, try, flower, pat, find, make, bird, go, picture, call, stone, say, pizza. So these are all the words that are given in the box and now I am going to circle all the action words. So I am going to circle the action word. So the action word is ride, then eat, then we have read, wish, work, sleep, think, try, pat, find, make, go, call, say. So these are all our verbs, and now we are going to match it with these sentences. So let us read these verbs: run, jump, dance, sing, walk, listen, sleep, play, eat, drink. And I am going to match these verbs with the sentences here. So let us see which sentence is correct. So the first is, I can walk a mile in 5 minutes. So I can walk a mile in 5 minutes, and I'm going to circle the word walk. So this is the action that is being done. The next sentence, I dash to music at the night club. So I listen. So when it comes to music, you only listen to music. So I listen to music. I listen to music at the night club. So, and I'm marking the word listen in the chart. You move on to the next sentence. Do you like to dash pizza? So normally what do you do with pizza? You eat pizza. So I mark the word eat in the chart and I write the word eat. So this is the action that we are doing. So do you like to eat pizza? The next, I dash at 11 p.m. So what do we do at 11 p.m.? We go to sleep. So the word sleep. I sleep at 11 p.m. So I write the word sleep. So the word sleep is the verb or the action word. The next sentence is, we dash slowly with my grandmother. So since my grandmother is old, she normally walks very slowly. So I walk slowly with my grandmother. So I'm using the word walk again. So we walk slowly with my grandmother. The next sentence is, I dash coffee every morning. So I drink coffee every morning. So I mark the word drink. I drink coffee every morning. Next sentence, we often dash songs in class. So we often sing songs in class. So the word sing. So we often sing songs in class. Coming to the next sentence, I dash to my teacher. So at school, I listen to my teacher. So I listen to my teacher. In the next sentence, I dash on the trampoline. I jump on the trampoline. So I write the word jump. So I repeat these words once more. I can walk a mile in 5 minutes. I listen to music at the nightclub. Do you like to eat pizza? I sleep at 11 p.m. We walk slowly with my grandmother. I drink coffee every morning. We often sing songs in class. I listen to my teacher. I jump on the trampoline. So the words walk, listen, eat, sleep, walk, drink, sing, listen, jump are all the verbs or the action words in the sentences.